What's up, FIFA fans? Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down one of the most anticipated Group A matchups of the 2026 FIFA World Cup as Mexico takes on South Korea. Both teams picked up wins in their opening matches, which makes this game incredibly important in the race for the top spot in the group. Mexico started their tournament with a solid 2-0 victory over South Africa. The result looked comfortable on paper. There were moments where their attacks struggled to find the final pass. Controlled possession, moved the ball well, and eventually got the job done. This will be a much tougher test. On the other side, South Korea impressed with a hard-fought 2-1 win over Czechia. They showed great energy, quick transitions, and the ability to create chances when it mattered most. This is a team that likes to play with confidence and isn't afraid to attack against bigger opponents. One of the biggest factors in this match is the location. Mexico will have massive support from the crowd, and that atmosphere could give them an extra boost. Whenever Mexico plays at home, the energy inside the stadium can completely change the momentum of a game. From a tactical perspective, these teams match up surprisingly well. Mexico prefers to keep the ball and build attacks patiently, while South Korea is extremely dangerous when they win possession and break forward with speed. That contrast could create plenty of exciting moments throughout the match. Looking at the betting market, Mexico enters as a slight favorite, not by a huge margin. That tells you odds makers expect a competitive game. South Korea has enough quality to challenge anyone in this group, and Mexico knows they can't afford to make mistakes. My expectation is a tight contest, with chances on both ends. Neither team wants to lose, because a draw would leave both sides in a strong position heading into the final group stage match. It often leads to a balanced game where both teams stay organized while still looking for opportunities to score. The play I'm looking at here is both teams to score. Mexico has attacking quality. South Korea has pace and creativity. And both sides showed they can find the net in their opening matches. As for a final score prediction, I can see this ending 1-1. It feels like a matchup where both teams have enough talent to score but are evenly matched overall. Drop your prediction in the comments and let me know who you're backing in this huge Group A showdown. Thanks for watching, enjoy the game, and good luck with